G'day guys, Big Raw here. Hope everybody's doing good. Today I'm going to use the last of the sunlight to fix an issue with my car, and it is the window switch here has problems. Sorry about the dinging. It just wants me to put the seat belt on, but yeah, so problem with this switch is this one doesn't work. When it works, it only goes down and doesn't go up, but the window works fine on the other side. Auto up, auto down. That one, auto down works, auto up works. This one, auto down works, auto up does not work. And this one, both up and down works. So we're gonna replace this this thing. Quite a lot of things to remove on this door panel, so let's get to it. I also have a busted grill here. I got a replacement for it. Auto up, auto down, auto up, finally works on that side, auto down, auto down, auto up, and auto down, auto up, as well as all the little step we can make both ways. This is 100% fixed, and the buttons are nicer on that one, so took all the best buttons. Looks a little bit better. The leather here, this one is covered in leather. Not all of them have this option of getting the leather here or the light underneath here, but this one has. So this is not dirty, this is just worn leather, so I'm gonna have to attend to that. The seat, I have another seat, so I'm just gonna replace this one. So I hope you'll find that useful. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. See you.